Good good afternoon, everyone. This is Harvey. I am now here in Antigtingco Beach. This is in Alcoy. This is a 3-hour bus ride from Cebu South Bus Terminal. We left the city around 9:30 in the morning, and we arrived here 12:30. Okay, noon. This is just a few kilometers away from Oslo. That is where you find the famous whale sharks. We will be going there tomorrow, and then when you go further south, you will reach Santander. There's a tip of Cebu City. 7 kilometers after Santander, you would reach Bato. That's a 170 peso bus ride from Cebu South Bus Terminal. If you want to go there, you want to reach Cebu City's southern tip, well, you can reach it for just 170 pesos. If you go around, that's already going around, you can go back to Bajan, to Barili, and to Karkar. We're gonna try it around south tomorrow. Okay, right now we are going to stay here at Antigtingco Beach. Well, you can park your cars here for just 50 pesos overnight, 24 hours. If you see, there are cars parked here, right? See that? Motorcycles will only cost you 25 pesos to park here. Entrance fee just 10 pesos, very cheap. Alright, we're going to go downstairs, and I'm gonna show you the houses or the rooms that you'll be renting. Well, you can rent it for just 1,200 pesos, unlimited. No matter how many people you are going to be squeezed in there. But it's just an a fan room. It's not accommodation is not really that fast. But if you are into a very tight budget and there are a lot of you can always stay here in Antigtingco Beach. That part there, this is Buddha Krishna. That's a much more high-class resort, more expensive. Air-conditioned rooms are there. You can rent a room there if you're like say 15 to 20 people. You can rent it for just 5,000 to 6,000. There's no pool inside, but the view is spectacular. You could see like almost the entire Tinco Beach there. Okay, what's interesting about this place is that there are some months when the sand shifts from Tinco 2 goes to Tinco 1, and then so it leaves Tinco 2 with very rocky. Okay, at times also the sand from Tinco 1 transferred to Tinco 2, leaving Tinco 1 with a lot of rocks. So just a matter of timing. I'm gonna ask later the locals when you would see much sand. If you want to stay in Tinco 2, I'll tell you when is the best time to go there, when it's sandy. And then I'll tell you also if you want to stay in Tinco 1, I'll show you the time when it's also sandy, not rocky. So that's the purpose of this vlog. I'm going to show you more. There's also another resort over there, Edward's Place. It's very inexpensive, but really nice ambiance. I know this guy. I'll give you, I'll put below his number. And I might also show you the place later on, and you might be able to meet Edward also. Rooms there for 700 to 1,000. One room is like for 1,500 pesos, and fits like 8 people. Not bad. And this aircon room, and he cooks breakfast also if you want. So right now, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna show you later on a few more videos. This has been Harvey. Good afternoon. Today, by the way, is May 14th. Summer.
Ito isa na mong balay. Ano ay chik. Ikaw na mo po. Ikaw ka muwapas ka. Muwapas. Kuki. Inis ka na.
is Harvey again. Today is May 14. I'm now in Antig Tingko 2. This is in Alcoy Cebu. 3-hour bus ride from the Cebu South Bus Terminal. Okay, this is the beach. This is Alcoy. This is one of the best beaches that was featured one time in the internet. And if you look around, see, this is how big the beach is. There's a little cliff when you reach that part over there, so it's a little deep, so it's really nice. Okay, and I'm gonna show you a few rooms for rent here. This you just look for this place. This is RJ Store. They're very nice. They gave us this tent for free. Okay, just to for us to cover their place, which is really nice, right? So yeah, come over here. I'm gonna show you the room. This is for 1,500. This is just newly built, so the caretaker doesn't know exactly how much it is when it is off peak. But right now it's for 1,500. Good for 7 to 8 people. I'll show you the room inside. Okay, this is the room. This is a fan room here. Well, it's a very small fan, but they also have a bathroom. But mind you, this may sound expensive, but this is the beachfront. See, this is beachfront. Okay, that's what's really nice. The bathroom is very simple. It doesn't have a shower. You use a pail, well, to bathe or to wash up after you bathe in the ocean or the sea. So yeah, and this is 1,500. 7 to 8 people. Off peak days, still the same price. I'm gonna show you the room here for 700. Peak days. You just jump. This is a room for 700 pesos. Peak days. Off peak, they will just charge you 400, 500. It doesn't have an electric fan. No pillows. Just simple room to crash in. But it's still beachfront. That's the plus side of it. Okay, they have a bathroom there as well. Children are bathing now. They charge it if you are not staying here. For the tent, they charge you 100 pesos. Okay, remember I told you something interesting about this place. From January to August, the sand here is like this. Okay, but from August to December, all the sand goes towards Tingko 1. So you'll see a few rocks here during those months. Again, if you want, this type of sand, you come here in Tingko 2 from January to say July. Okay, if you want to stay in Tingko 1, you go there from August to December because the sand is going to be there. Okay, so it's a very interesting science that we discovered here in Alcoy. That makes it very interesting. Okay, and there are also a few cottages here. This is just beside the street. I don't know how to show you, but just behind this room here is already the road. Okay, the bus will drop you off there. You will just go down to this place. There's also videoke here. 2 songs for 5 pesos. Interesting. And the beer here, the 1,000 liter beer again, it's only for 75 pesos. Okay, very cheap. You can pitch a tent here for just 100 pesos. You get to use the shower for free, toilet for free as well. Good flushing power as well. Well, use a pail to wash off the pieces. But yes, nice place to be here. A few vlogs later on. Thank you.